Today I'm unboxing my second fragrance from Armaf. I already own Yum Yum and I absolutely love it. So when I saw this Island Bliss, I had to try it. This is my first time smelling it and I want to share that with you guys. I bought this from Amazon at around $38. I also bought another one from Shein and the price there is $17. So I was very curious to see if this smells the same or there is anything wrong with the one at Shein. So I bought it. I don't have it yet. Once I have it, I will unbox that with you guys. Now, based on what I did, that research that I did for this perfume, it said the Island Bliss is described as a floral fruity gourmand with wild berries, coconut, and vanilla. That sounds like summer in a bottle. So let's see how it looks inside. Okay, so to see if it is original, again, it's these things here, the sticker, right? So that's how you know if it is original or not. And let's open this box. Okay, I love this presentation. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's open this. Oh, okay. Wow. The bottle is beautiful, very playful, very tropical as well. And see the pictures in the back, they are absolutely nice. It feels like it feels fun, not too serious. It looks nice. Oh, okay. So I love this box. I love the presentation. Again, I love how they take so much effort on their presentations. And let's see. Let's smell these and see how it is. Okay. Okay. That's stronger than what I was expecting. It's definitely gourmand, and the coconut is very present. That's for sure. Okay. I was expecting something a little bit more fresh. It's sweet and the coconut is there. I don't dislike the coconut. But I was expecting maybe something different. Based on the other one, which is the Yum Yum, I remember that Yum Yum is very bright and candy sweet. It's more warmer. But if you like the coconut fragrance, maybe definitely this is for you. But I love the presentation, that's for sure. I don't know, coconut, maybe yes for summer. Definitely not like the Yum Yum that I'm wearing in that in any season. I think this is not something that you have to wear only on summer or night mornings with the Yum Yum. But with this one, I feel like this has to be for summer. So there you go.